A major fire has broken out at the Ghazipur landfill site in East Delhi. While efforts continue to douse the fire, a senior Municipal Corporation of Delhi official has said that excavators have also been pressed into service to control the fire. Meanwhile, the BJP has hit out at the Delhi government, alleging that it had promised to clean and clear the Ghazipur landfill site by December 31st last year, but did not keep its word. In 2019, the height of the Ghazipur landfill was 65 meters, only 8 meters less than the Qutub Minar. Moreover, in 2022, 3 incidents of fire were reported at the Ghazipur landfill. Meanwhile, Delhi BJP chief Virendra Sachdev has said that life of the people living adjacent to the landfill has become hell now. He said, because I live close by, I understand this very well.
मयूर विहार के कोंडली के जितने लोग हैं उन सबका जीवन नारकीय हो गया है। मैं खुद यहाँ मयूर विहार में रहता हूँ, मैं इस बात को समझता हूँ। आम आदमी पार्टी अरविंद केजरीवाल जब नगर निगम के चुनाव हो रहे थे, घोषणा कर आए थे कि दिसंबर 2023 तक हम इस कूड़े के पहाड़ को ख़त्म कर देंगे। एक नया कूड़े का पहाड़ तैयार हो गया। सिर्फ भ्रष्टाचार, यहाँ पर भ्रष्टाचार का खेल खेला जा रहा है। ये आग लगती नहीं है, इसके पीछे के कारणों की जांच होनी चाहिए।
My colleague Mehendi Garg joins us on the broadcast to give us more details on this. Mehendi, of course, we've heard what Mr. Virendra Sachdev had to say. He's of course said that I understand what the people who are living close by are going through, considering the fact that I also live close by. Now, there are a lot of people who've in fact said that they're finding it very difficult to breathe in this situation. Their eyes are hurting. So, there are a lot of health hazards, also health concerns that people are in fact speaking about. What further details can you share with us at this point of time?
Well, yes, it's a very tragic incident as the fire has broken out at the Ghazipur landfills, and the Delhi BJP has taken a jibe at the municipal corporation and also the Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal, as we heard right now that the Delhi BJP president Virendra Sachdeva has said a lot of things and made huge statements, and he has pointed out main things that he also lives in Mayur Vihar, so he can understand what problems people are facing there due to the fire of the Ghazipur also, because as you also said that people are complaining about the eye itching problems and the pollution in that area is increasing because of the fire broke out. So Virendra Sachdeva has taken a jibe and made huge allegations on the municipal corporation and also the Aam Aadmi Party that they claimed earlier after coming into the power that they will clean all the landfills of the Delhi and they will take care of all the landfills that are there in the Delhi, but they didn't do it. So he has also talked about the corruption that is going on and made huge allegations that this is all corruption and nothing much. And he asked various and several questions to the Aam Aadmi Party that who will take responsibility for this incident and for this tragic happening that has happened at the Ghazipur landfill. Will Arvind Kejriwal take the responsibility, and who will take care of the situation that has been created and the problems that people are facing in the nearby areas? Who will solve their problems? So many questions has been asked by the Delhi BJP and they are in an attacking mode. Yesterday also, Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva along with Raja Iqbal Singh visited the place and took care of the people there, and they talked to the people there what problems they are facing. And today also, early morning, Virendra Sachdeva along with the spokespersons of Delhi BJP reached the location at the Ghazipur landfill area, and also they have claimed and made a huge statement that if in Delhi BJP government comes, then they will clean all the landfills in the Delhi area within 1 year. So Delhi BJP is in an attacking mode and has been asking direct questions to the Aam Aadmi Party, to the Arvind Kejriwal. Over to you.
Right, absolutely. Mehendi, with that, I'd like to thank you for joining us and sharing those details with our viewers.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.